Good afternoon, everybody. I'm back again. I want to work on my scavenger hunt book. I'm doing real well. I'm very pleased with how it's going. I haven't been going crazy. I just been trying to find the things as I went, and I'm real pleased with how well I'm accomplishing. I have several things today. Parts of them are little, and I have things I want to do with them. One of our things is ruler, and this is actually a ruler, what do you call that? Washi tape. So I'm going to use that. I have some little fruit tags and some other things, and I'm going to find, what I want is a page. Oh, let's go for this one right here. I want a page that, well, is this going to show up on that page? That might be the issue. Oh, that was not good. Okay. Let's see if we can get it off of there and make it come off in one piece. Okay. Yeah, I think it'll show up well enough. So what I'm going to do is border the whole page with this tape. And then I'm going to use this page to stick on little tiny things that we have in our list of stuff we have to get. And I might use this tape elsewhere too, just for the fun of it. But oh, I guess it would help if my ruler was right side. So that's my ruler. And that was number 10. Oh, I may have to get a different pen. Oh, no, that's not going to work. I'll have to hunt for something in a few minutes. But that's my ruler. Then I just want to glue little things on this. Things that are tiny. Just, these are the vegetable or fruit tags. And then I have some postage stamps, and I was going to use some of them. And I may come back and glue more things on this page. We'll see. I don't know. I don't know what else I have right now that I'll need to put on here. I really need to get out a new bottle of glue. Okay, will this one fit? Yep. Okay. Okay, that pen's gonna write okay. I just need to not touch it right away. So that's my ruler, my fruit. I had to have vegetable or fruit sticker, which is 55. And postage stamp, which is 1. Okay. All right. Now then, the next thing is we have to have a vintage ad. And vintage is all relative because 1971 is kind of vintage at this stage of the game. That's almost 20 years ago. No, 50 years ago. Is that right? Yes. So we're going to consider an ad from this magazine vintage. And I had a really cute one picked out. Where did it go? Come on now. Of course I can't find it. There it is. This is a Draw Winky ad. And I thought that was so cute. Okay. And then we have to add a vintage, have to add a photo. So now let's see, do I? Okay. I sort of picked this photo because it's about the same era as the ad, and I really kind of think that that's kind of cute together. So we'll go for that. And I think we will go ahead and put this part under it. Yep. So we want some wax paper. My little book is getting nice and filled up. I'm real excited by it. It's been a lot of fun doing this project. It wasn't something that I really thought I was going to do at first, and then I thought, oh, this just sounds like fun. And I've really enjoyed it. And we're not finished yet, so we'll see if I can find all of the little pieces that we need to find. Okay. Draw Winky. Let's draw Winky. And I think I'll put this in there. Oh, don't you think that needs a little ink? I think that needs a little ink. Just because. You can't leave that edge all white like that. There we go. Okay. Okay, so that is our vintage ad and a photo. And old photo is 44. Okay, 44. Oops! I almost put that in my mouth. Old photo. And then, for some reason, the second half was easier to do than the first half. Maybe I just read them more, but... Okay, now I need... There was a vintage ad. Where's it at? Vintage ad is 11. Vintage ad is 11. Yay! And that's kind of sticky, so I'm going to put something in there. Okay, now I have a couple of just small things to add in somewhere, just to stick in. Let's see. There's not going to be room there. Well, let's see if I could just put them one over the top on there. That might be cute. This is my soap wrapper and my pillow tag. So let's kind of take some of this off. I got to take some of the soap wrapper off so that it will go in there. I went to the linen closet to get soap wrappers and realized that our big bars of soap all come in boxes. I mean, which is a wrapper, but I found a little travel size one in my I wonder if I could do this. Maybe I'll do it that way. They'll be like little tabs that stick out. That's what I'll do. I found a travel size bar in my to-go bag. So and I knew I had pillow tags because I had some pillows that were covered and I took the covers off, so I knew I had the pillow tags. And this is a polyester fiber pillow tag. Under penalty of law, this tag is not to be removed except by the consumer. Since I am the consumer, I guess I'm legally allowed to remove my pillow tag. So I did. Now, if you're not familiar with the Scavenger Hunt project, this is by Janet Young, and there will be a link in the description box down below. There are lots of people playing. There is a hashtag, and if you double check the description and the title, you'll see the hashtag. Okay, so that's our soap bar wrapper, which is which number? Soap bar wrapper is 70. And what's the other thing? Pillow tag. A pillow tag, which is right here. Okay, so bar wrapper and a pillow tag, and they create these little flaps that stick out. Oh, I just forgot to write the number down on this page. Can only do one thing at a time, apparently. The pillow tag is 15. 70 and 15. And let's see what we're doing on time. Okay, guys, I probably better go. So that's our soap bar wrapper, our pillow tag. We did vintage ad and a photo, and we did our vegetables, our ruler, our postage stamp. We did a lot today. Okay, I hope you all are having a great day. Let's read a quote from our 1,001 Ways to Creativity. And I need to get busy. Often you will have to fit creative work around your day job. That is not a problem as long as you treat turning up late to either job as equally serious matter. I have read that one before. Sorry. If an idea is too fragile to survive being bounced around, then it wasn't a very good idea. Okay, guys, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.